Well, guys, lots of eyes are on SpaceX right now as thousands of current and former employees could soon see a huge financial payoff. Some real estate experts say it could cause an increase in luxury home buying across the South Bay. We're joined live in studio by Cory Weiss from Douglas Elliman. Thank you so much for being with us this morning.
Thanks for having me back.
And listen, this is very exciting, but it is definitely going to change our real estate market. We are talking about thousands of people who are about to be new millionaires.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
And I'm sure they want new houses to go with that new wealth. So tell us what you're hearing and seeing.
Well, this is a pretty significant wealth event for Southern California.
Yeah.
You have thousands of millionaires coming into the market in various aspects of wealth. I think first things first is if an engineer is making millions of dollars, they're going to pay off some debt.
Sure.
Then they're going to look for a better home for their family before the Ferrari.
Right? Yeah, absolutely. But you've got 100 of these people who are going to make $100 million.
Correct.
So they can afford to do that and a little bit more.
Right. And we've seen them in the market. We've seen them starting to look. We've seen this, but with the SpaceX stock, for example, it debuted at $135 a share. That's where it IPO'd.
Okay.
The next day, the 12th of June, it went up considerably to $235 a share. Today, it's about $150 a share.
Yeah.
So it is there's a lot of, it's right at the same pace of extreme wealth. It's not going anywhere, but these people also have what's called lockups. So their wealth and the disbursement of their funds comes over time. So it is going to be a gradual thing. They didn't have direct deposit right away.
Sure. Okay, so let's talk about which communities are going to be most impacted by this.
Right. With SpaceX being in Hawthorne in the South Bay, we've seen an increase of Manhattan Beach, Redondo Beach, the beach cities. We've seen an uptick in Venice. As well as Silicon Beach is what they call it.
Okay.
High end, we've seen some of the high end executives look at estates in Brentwood, Circle. They're starting to pick out things they like. And then we're seeing people, which is very interesting, that are saying, okay, we've waited for this for a long time. We want to leave LA. We're going to buy a pied-à-terre and a high-rise in Century City, for example, and then come back and forth. So it's really changing a lot of people's lives.
Interesting. Okay, we are happy for those it's changing for the good.
Right.
I think what people are worried about is those who are in the market already who don't have this new cash influx coming, and now they're competing against these buyers. Is it going to be more difficult for people looking for homes right now?
Look, our summer market's very interesting. So we are not at a seller's market. So I do think stay in the market. I think really study what's been on the market, how long it's been on the market. We're seeing a lot of negotiation. In the South Bay, yes, I think it's going to be competitive and very tough, but I wouldn't say get discouraged. But definitely be in the market. It's a little slow summer market right now.
Well, that's interesting. That's probably a good thing for people who are in the housing market. I think for regular people, this is so much wealth. Well, like this changes everything. From your perspective, do you think we'll still be having this conversation 5-10 years? Is this going to change the real estate market here long term?
That's a great question. I think we need LA or the finance needs a little boost, but I don't think so. I mean, I think this is over a couple of years, and the people have known this was coming for a long time. I don't think this will be in 3 to 5 years still a topic of conversation. Okay,
well, it is really interesting. I think it's fun for us to watch from the outside.
It is.
You know, I love to go on Zillow and look at $5 million homes and then complain about the kitchen cabinets.
Exactly. Don't we all?
Yeah, don't we all? So very exciting. Cory, thank you so much for being with us. All right, we appreciate it.